Alrighty then, how's it going, guys? And welcome to the first of this type of video that I've ever done, an unboxing video. So I got a really lovely Christmas present from my mate Rod. It is a 12 pack of Rocky Ridge Brewing Co beers. So yeah, I thought we'd open it up and have a look and see what's inside, and then maybe we'll crack one open and taste it. I'm not going to drink all 16 in one shot. You crazy? Anyway, so let's give it an open and let's see what we have inside, shall we? Alright, so shall we do the ASMR thing? Out the window with that crap. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed, shall we? I'm rather excited for this. Now, so for those of you that don't know, Rocky Ridge is a West Australian brewing company, and what they do is more of what I would classify as modern craft beers or new world craft beers. So your pastry stouts, your hazy IPAs, your chocolate bubblegum peanut butter brittle imperial stout style ones with the fancy cans. Not usually what I drink, as most of you know. I'm a Belgian beer nerd. However, I do believe that these types of beers have their place, and I have had several that I've really enjoyed, so I'm looking forward to see what's inside the box. So without further ado, let's see what we got. Alright, first up we have Rocky Ridge, The Limit Does Not Exist, New England IPA, or was it? Yeah, New England India Pale Ale. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know a lot about some of these styles. What I do know about New England IPAs is they are hazy, I believe. So looks like what's her name? What's the name of the actress? From Freaky Fridays. Can't remember the name off the top of my head.
Lindsay Lohan.
Lindsay Lohan, that's the one. So yeah, Pink Boot Society, don't know what that's about. Pretty nice looking can. 7% ABV, respectable. ABV, quite respectable. We've got two of those. There's another one here. And, alright, what's next? We've got Rocky Ridge Draft. What I'm assuming is going to be a lager. 4.5%. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that that's just going to be classic lager, classic Australian lager of some type. Two of those as well. Alright, now what do we got next? We have Rocky Ridge 3 Lunar Lager, 4.5%. Pretty nice looking can. Don't know, it's just showing up as a bit pink in my video, but it's quite red to me. Don't know anything about that one. And this is a fancy looking can. We've got a Rocky Ridge Liquid Hot Magma Belgian Lava Cake Stout. What? I've had this one before. I've actually had this one with my friend Rod. It wasn't bad. It wasn't particularly good either. It was very drinkable. Had a lot of notes of peanut butter in it. It just didn't really taste like Belgian lava cake. Like, I was expecting a lot more chocolatey, a lot sweeter than it was. So it more just like it was the expectation versus reality, which is what let this one down. I mean, certainly not a bad beer at all, but the can, the artwork on it, the name of the beer, it kind of makes you think that it might be like some sort of like chili infused chocolate stout, but it's not. It's just like a decent stout. I'm certainly not faulting it in any way. So yeah, decent stout, but not chili chocolate in any way. Just very peanut buttery. All right. Next up, we have. Let's go with this one. Now, I've had this one before as well. Rock Candy Fruited Sour. Now, this one, honestly, I didn't mind it at all. In terms of like sort of your modern sour beers, it's pretty nice, not bad at all. But when you crack the can, prepare, because it smells like you just opened up a like big bag of gummy smell and then like released it into your kitchen. You can smell it from a mile away. It's extremely sort of like candy fruit flavor and taste, but very sour. I mean, I wouldn't, no, not very sour, but sour. I got 2 of those as well. I may open one of these ones, I think. All right, what have we got next? We have, this one should be good. Rocky Ridge Crisp Hoppy Mid-Strength. So, yeah, that's looking pretty good. All right. So, yeah, dry hopped, I think I saw. Did I see? No, hoppy mid, not dry hopped. Okay, well, always like a good mid-strength. If you want to have a beer but you don't want to get drunk, mid-strength's the way to go. We've got 2 of those. All right, what have we got next? We have an... Oh, okay. Kind of wish it did have the other bit in it, but this is from Cannabis Botanical Distillery. So this must be a sort of collab that they're doing with Rocky Ridge. This is a ginger beer, an alcoholic ginger beer. I always do like an alcoholic ginger beer. Very refreshing, very tasty, especially if you put some lime in it. Gluten-free, no artificial flavors. Oh, no THC. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. All right, and last but not least, what do we got? We got another Cannabis Botanical Distillery. Alcoholic pink lemonade. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say I really don't like strawberry flavors. So, I doubt that this is something that I'm going to really enjoy. But I'll give it a try. I have a saying in my life that I will never say no to a taste. So yeah, so that's what I got. I think we'll crack one can open and we'll see what we've got here. I think I'm gonna go with I think I'm going to go with the Rocky Ridge 3 Lunar Lager. At least I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Alright, let me go get my glass and let's get cracking. Alright, I'm back, and for this pour I will be using my personalized Stella Artois glass. Alright. Rocky Ridge 3 Lunar Lager. Let's give this a go, shall we? I just forgot this is a 375 ml, not a 330 ml. It's okay, we got it in. Didn't get much of a head on it because the can's too big for the glass. My bad. Alright, so let's see, what do we got here? Color wise, very pale yellow, like almost straw. Smells very, it's quite yeasty on the nose. Grassy. This should be nice and refreshing from the sound of it. Does it say what sort of hops it's got in it? It does not. Water, malt, yeast and hops. So, well, let's give it a go and we'll see what it tastes like, shall we? That tastes to me like a quintessential Australian lager. It's Australian lager, mate, is what it is. Right, it's very yeasty on the back end. It's a bit acidic, so kind of a little bit sour, not very sweet. Nice hop. I'm going full Aussie now because I'm drinking Australian lager. Yeah, I won't say the C word, trying to, be professional and stuff. So anyway, not bad. 4.5%, decent strength. Yeah, I'll rate it. So overall, switch back to my normal voice now. Let's get serious here. I mean, let's be brutally honest. It's nothing special. It's not bad. You see, this is what I find often with lagers. I've rarely found, like your generic styles of lager to be standout. The differences between them are usually very minor, very subtle. Obviously, like I said, this is a very Australian style lager. That it's got that yeasty finish on it. Excuse me. It's very effervescent. It's very, it's very bright. I believe that the hops don't really stand out in it too much. I'm not really getting much of a flavor bomb from the hops there. You can tell it's more about the sort of the malt and the yeast. Almost to a German lager degree. So is it refreshing? Yes. Is it going to be nice on a hot day? Yes. Would I pick this one over an ale? No, I would not. I'm an ale guy. I like ales. I like the intensity and the robustness of the flavor. Lagers certainly have their place. They are very, very nice, very refreshing, excellent to have after a hard day's work. But yeah, I can't really fault it. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. I'm going to drink it. I'm going to enjoy it. But yeah, it's like some grassy notes coming through there as well. So there you go. If you're after a nice, crispy, yeasty Australian style lager to have after work, Rocky Ridge 3 Lunar Lager. Alright, well that'll do it for me today, guys. Until next time, have a good one.